Hi, my name is Carrie White. I'm an SIU graduate student. My presentation is on delayed discounting using two commodities, the first commodity being money and the second being weight loss. The participants that were in this study were 35 school staff members. School staff members were defined as any individual who was on the district payroll. The chart down here shows which job title each participant had in the school system. So there were individuals who were specialists, who were special education teachers, gen ed teachers, special administrators, paraprofessionals, BCBA. The majority of the participants were general education teachers, as well as special education teachers and specialists. The age ranges of participants were anywhere from 20 to 60, with the majority being in the 30 to 40 range. Materials needed was a Google form. There were three sections to this Google form. The first one was consent. This just stated that the data that was collected from the survey would be used in a paper and a presentation. There was also a demographic survey. So there was some questions about income level, about what your job title is, and also more questions on weight loss. If individuals were currently trying to lose weight, if individuals were comfortable with their current weight, if they had participated in any kind of weight loss program, or if they had gym memberships. Also, weight, current weight was analyzed as well. So the purpose of the study was to look at two different commodities, money and weight loss. The delays that were used in the surveys was 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 2 months, and then 3 months. The value of money for the larger later reward was $200, and the maximum weight loss for the larger later reward was 20 pounds. Example questions that were on these surveys are stated right here. So would you rather lose 1 pound a day with no exercise or 20 pounds in a week with exercise? There was an added incentive here because we wanted to see if they would rather pick the sooner reward and the less work, or the later reward, which would produce obviously a larger value. So the results showed that with the money, that as the delay increased, the subjective value decreased. So you can see here that when it was a 1 week delay, the subjective value was only 180. But then as it got later and later, and we were at the 3 month mark, individuals changed their preference and picked $80, so the sooner reward, rather than waiting further time to get the $200 value. Also, you can see here in the delay for the weight loss was a little bit different than the money. So in the weight loss, the delay went from the same amount of weeks, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, but the subjective value of pounds. So remember, we were offering 20 pounds as the larger later reward. However, individuals were quicker to discount that amount, and as soon as 1 week delay, they were willing to take the 10 pounds sooner, less work, than waiting the extra week to get the 20 pounds. So it was a little different between the two commodities. Here are the graphed results. So as you can see, as the delay increased, the value decreased. So the conclusion was that school staff members did choose the sooner, smaller value of weight loss over the value of money. So they were quicker to discount that weight loss. Also, as the delay increased, like we said, the value of the money decreased. There were some limitations in the study. Some of the limitations were that in the demographic survey, there was a mistake when asking about age ranges. The survey gave ranges from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Some individuals did reach out and ask which category they fell in, if they were in like the 30-year-old range, the 40-year-old range, the 50-year-old range. That did not really impact any of our results. However, in the future, that should be modified. Another limitation was that individuals were asked to report their current annual income. It was not about their family income, so they could have a higher income level. The purpose of that was kind of to see if they had a smaller income level, would they be more impulsive to take the sooner, or vice versa. And then also the weight loss. Some individuals were already at their preferred weight, so the weight loss study did not really apply to them. Here are my